Hey y'all, it's your girl Minalicious. So today I'm gonna show y'all how I did this. Look, keep on watching if y'all want to see more of this. Look, ooh. Keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Y'all be not subscribing. Hit the subscribe button, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. So right now I am going to start off with some primer. Yikes! What in the world? That's too much. For foundation today, I'm just going to use the Fit Me foundation. Something simple. I'm using this as my concealer. It's the Pure, I'm not sure if I'm saying that wrong, but it is 4-in-1 Love Your Selfies long wearing. It's a foundation and a concealer, so I'm going to use it as a concealer. Okay, I'll put some up here. I'm just going to use this beauty blender. Next, we're just going to go in with this banana powder. Just going to blend this out. So I'm just gonna use the LA concealer. Get this right here. Right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my cheeks and my nose. Yeah, I'm just using this brush to contour my nose. Even though it's like another brush for my eyeshadow, but I'm just gonna use this brush. I'm using this one. Excuse this because somebody play with it. But I'm using this color right here, and I'm just gonna use that on my cheekbones like that to create that nice cheekbones. Try to blend that out. I'm gonna use this pressing powder to just kind of get all that extra stuff out the way. So next, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. So I'm just using this spoolie brush, and I'm just gonna brush out my eyebrows. We have the Ebony Dip Pomade. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and use the concealer to conceal my eyebrows and sharpen them up. So yes, I'm just blending this part out. I'm gonna use this concealer right here, so that way my eyeshadow can like pop out. So first we're gonna go in with this yellow here. I'm gonna go in with this orange here. Now I'm just gonna use this concealer again, and I'm just gonna go ahead and create that crease. So next I'm gonna go in with this color here. I'm just gonna put that at the end like this. Right here too. I'm just gonna put a little bit of like the yellow like right here. And then now I'm just gonna put this white right here, this white one, like right here. I'm gonna put some under here. So I put some orange under there just like this, okay? Next, what I'm gonna do is, let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and put some like glitter eyeshadow right here, like out the corner of my eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some mascara on my eyelashes. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyelashes on. Cause child, you know you need them lashes on. I'm gonna go and wear these lashes for today. So this is how this look like. I have to go ahead and put the other lash on. Now I'm just gonna do one more last thing, and that is my, glow. I'm just gonna put my glow on. You see that? Just this glow right here. Yes. If I could do something like this. So this is how it looks like, and I really like this look because, nothing too dramatic, but, it's popping. What's up? I like this look. Please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell me about this look. Tell me how I did. If you like it, yes, know. Let me know. You know what I mean? So yeah. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Y'all be not subscribing. Hit the subscribe button, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. See you next time.